Is it really possible to go from nothing to a million in trading? Here's the roadmap. No hype, just actual real steps, okay? Now listen, it is fully possible, okay? At Stocks to Trade and the Tim Sykes ecosphere, we've had over 40 plus millionaire students, people that started out with just a little bit of money. Now you got to start out with something. You can't go from zero to a million, but a lot of them, almost all of them, start out with very small accounts, and they all followed this exact same framework. First one, start out with realistic goals and expectations. If you think you're going to go, make $1 million your first week of trading, your first month of trading, your first year of trading, good luck. Is it possible? Sure. But is it also possible for me to play in the NFL or the NBA? Probably not, okay? Someone I'm sure has done it. But odds are, out of 8 billion people on the planet, you're probably not that one person that's going to do it. But what you can do is follow that framework and start out with $50 wins and $100 wins and $200 wins. Build up your confidence, build up your knowledge, build up your account, which then allows you to trade larger position sizes without aiming for home runs. A lot of people start out with a $1,000 account and they're all in on every trade, which if you win, it's great. But if you lose, man, it can get ugly real fast. And next thing you know, you got $7 in your trading account. You're starting out all over. So small, consistent grind. I like to think of it, it's kind of, I'm sure many of you have heard of the hockey stick of success, okay? And I'm not an expert in hockey, but I'll probably use the terms wrong, but you've got like the foot of the hockey stick. That's when you hold the stick up and you just got that slow, gradual angle, but then after time, you hit that parabolic phase. And again, every one of these millionaire students, you'll see that very similar in their profit charts, just kind of banging around. Then months, sometimes years later, the parabolic move comes. Now, what most people do is they blow up way back here, and because they never build the skills and the risk management and the pattern recognition to get to the stick of the hockey stick. They're gone way before that. Have realistic long-term goals, months, years. Some of the most successful traders, I've read books, hundreds of books on trading. And when you look at some of these billionaires, some of them went years without making any money. Some went decades, okay, figuring it out, but then became billionaires. Now, how do you get from A to B and get to the parabolic phase? Be obsessed with the process, the learning phase. Now, listen, when I got started, I read every single book I could get my hands on. Now, this is back in the early 2000s. YouTube wasn't around, webinars weren't around, wasn't a lot, a lot of the stuff that we get access to now wasn't available, but I inhaled everything I could get my hands on. Every day from Amazon, I was getting a new book. I was reading 3 or 4 of them at a time. I was studying DVDs back then. Some of you might not even know what a DVD is, but there were some DVD courses, but I took and inhaled everything I could. Do the same now, okay? Now we have YouTube videos like this. You've got online courses. There's so many materials that you can take advantage of. You can watch them on your phone, on the go, while you're driving. Stay safe, but you can play podcasts. I mean, there's so much out there that will get you through that learning phase. And just be a student of the game. Fall in love with the process. Enjoy the learning process in the beginning, knowing it will pay off in the end. I think of it a lot like going to college, okay? You go to college, you're a freshman, you don't expect to be making 150 grand a year in your major, okay? You're a freshman. Now you put in the time and the work over 3, 4, 5 years, then you get the job. A lot of people with trading, they rush it. They want the money now. They're a freshman. They barely know anything, and they want to be a practicing lawyer, okay? That lawyer gets the job at the big law firm because he put in the time in class, got the good grades, did the internship, then he gets rewarded. Think of trading as a career in that way. So now once you start learning, start testing, tracking, back testing, reviewing your data, paper trading, and trading really small, okay? One great thing about this, this day and age is almost every broker is either commission free or the commissions are borderline zero. Back when I got started, I was trading small and the commissions just eat you alive. you'd make a good trade, then you'd look at your brokerage statement and you'd be like, half my profits went to the broker. The nice thing about now is you can trade 10 shares, look for those good gains, those good trades, and sure, you're not going to make a bunch of money on 10 shares, but you don't give half or more back to your broker. Paper trading is also great. Paper trading has its pros and cons. It's not real at the end of the day, but if you're brand new, I think of a millionaire student, Mariana Hincapié. She didn't trade any real money for a year. Like, that's how disciplined she was for the long term. She's like, I'm not going to risk any money until I understand this. So pretty amazing story, really. I'm amazed she had that patience to do that. But paper trade, then when you're ready to risk money, just start out small, okay? Start out small. Make sure you're consistent. Now, once you're consistently growing, and don't focus on the dollars, focus on the percent gains, focus on how much of the move you caught. Then, when you start seeing that equity grow, start scaling up, not before. Okay, now, if you're winning consistently 3 out of 4 trades, 4 out of 5 trades, start adding it a little size, still tracking your data, but not getting too big too soon. Okay, go from 10 shares to 100 shares and just keep repeating that. And by doing that over time, next thing you know, you're at 1,000 shares. Now 20% gains are big money. Then maybe a few months later, you're at 10,000 shares, and now 20% gains are real money. Okay, you're talking like real money now. Now, the other thing you have to do is handle those losses and setbacks. There's going to be setbacks. Everyone wants that equity curve that goes from the lower left to the upper right, and it's a straight line. Never happened, okay? It's always going to be a very squiggly line. Now, the goal is a squiggly line that trends to the upper right, okay? We don't want a squiggly line that's diving to the lower right. But by journaling, tracking your data, understanding it's a process, understanding that setbacks are part of the journey, you can respect those stop losses, keep them low, and keep that trend up towards the upper right. But don't scale up until you're trending the right way. You're probably going to be trending down for a while. Paper trade, puny size until that starts to reverse. Now, the other great thing you can do these days is leverage communities and mentorship programs. I'm an old guy. I'm like 70 years old. But back when I started, you didn't have a lot of these chat rooms. You didn't have online mentors. You didn't have, X, Twitter. It's a great resource, okay? If you find the right people, watch out for the shady people. But there's so many great communities and mentorship programs around traders. And if you, find the people that are legit, check their track record, do some due diligence, you can learn so much from a mentor that's done it before. And you can also learn the great habits, okay? You're going to see, once you start studying successful traders, you're going to see a lot of unique, or not unique, a lot of common threads. Discipline, long-term mindset, love of the game, okay? Just an absolute obsession, and mirror those traits and learn from those traits. So that's the way, okay? It takes time. It's not glamorous in the beginning, but I like to say, and this is an old quote that I'm sure many of you have heard, there's no such thing as an overnight success. Where you look at musicians or athletes or actors or billionaire traders, you focus on, oh, wow, he's a billionaire now, but you don't see those long, lonely nights and mornings staring at a screen, being disciplined, reading the books, reading the courses, grinding away, running scans, repeating this. Everyone focuses on up here, but they don't think about that hockey stick to get there. So that being said, what's your trading goal? Is it 1 million? Is it 100 million? It's a billion? Let me know before. Now when it comes, or let me know below. Now when it comes to mastering the process, I've been mentoring traders for over 10 years now. I've been doing this over 20 years now, 2 decades plus. I think I really have a very unique approach to lowering the temperature in the room, teaching you the basics, building that discipline, and building that routine. Something I do every day in the Daily Income Trader system. If you'd like to get a sneak peek of it, you can hit the link below. It's a free webinar. You see everything I do every single day. And if it works for you, you can join me every trading day.